Hi, so I'm going to be unboxing 동방신기's Japanese single Choosey Lover for you, and this is the normal edition. So this is how the front looks like. In the back, got the track list. Side. Then opening it up, we get the CD. Movie strip, and as this is the Korean license version, comes with a translation of the lyrics in Korean. Then we have the Photobook. Ooh, glossy, glossy. So we got Junsu first. John and JJ. And Changmin and Yuno. And then the lyrics. Finally a group picture. And that's it. So it also comes with a photo card since I got first press, and as it is the Korean license, this one actually has a small card in the Korean one compared to the Japanese release. So this is how the back looks like, and the front, which is I got the group card. So take a look at a bit closer here. Really nice picture. I really love this one. So yeah, that was my unboxing for Choosey Lover. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye!